We are in Monterey right now, which is right on the West Virginia border, and we are en route for Spruce Knob. This is MSX Discovery Route 2. People are driving by this truck thinking it's like an undercover like FBI vehicle because they've never seen anything like it before in their entire life.
I may just drive it back to Texas.
Smile. Very interesting to explore and actually to discover West Virginia. Had no idea about this area here, and it's beautiful. I just can imagine how beautiful it is in like summer and or fall, early fall. Very important to have small group, not too big one.
There's how many people here? I'm gonna count for you.
That's a good idea.
14, 15, 14, 15 people. I think everyone's pretty warm. Everyone's pretty prepared. And Gabby's just being Gabby. Apparently he's cuddling with everyone tonight to keep them warm. So I don't know how I feel about that yet.
Good morning. It got cold last night. Look at all the ice is coming off of it. It was supposed to be actually warmer last night than it's going to be tonight.
How was it for me? Well, everyone said cold. I'll just repeat.
How'd you sleep last night?
Tight.
Tight.
But everybody seems happy. They may not be happy tomorrow morning.
I was thinking I was gonna give myself a washing with wet wipes this morning, but I don't think this weather is conductive.
Do it when you go home.
Yeah.
It wasn't too bad.
Yeah.
Woke up this morning in flurries. And
yeah, it's flurrying right now. Do you have any like breakfast bars or snacks?
No, but I need to make a breakfast bar.
Well, how did the Moby hold up last night?
Beautiful.
Oh yeah?
Absolutely beautiful. Nice and warm.
So you have heat in that, right?
Yes, I do.
Yeah?
Yes, I do. Do
Yeah.
you?
I was even testing.
And you're dripping coffee?
Yeah.
Oh God.
Diverse for sure. Good group. A lot of gravel, a lot of great views. I don't know, just great trails.
We'll give you a shot of what all this looks like here. We're on the property of Experience Learning, formerly known as the Mountain Institute. It's a very special place. Actually, it kind of looked like it was snowing like in this general direction over here this morning. So I set my Max tracks out last night so that people could find how to get up to camp. The last group that came in said there was only one Max tracks and one board there. So I thought I'd come down here this morning to Experience Learning and see if I could find them, and here they are, right?
Yeah, we got them.
And so what happened?
Well, we had to use them to get one of our vans out of the mud. Our old Van Dolly over there, red right there. Yeah, we got her stuck in the mud a little bit, and we thought, oh, we back her up further onto the grass, we'll be able to, you know, get her out of there. Sure enough, we didn't. Yeah, and then we had to go ahead and use that and get a little rubber burn.
Yeah, a little rubber on it, warm. Use them. That's what they're for. I appreciate it, man. Yeah. Well, I'm glad you found some good use out of them.
Yeah.
Sing it, Pete. Oh, boy. 4x4.
FJ team, Gene, and Adam, and myself, Rossetti. Beyond expectation, obviously. Thanks to the team. We will try to repeat it one more time in the less cold weather, perhaps. but in the end of the day, that was a great experience, and we enjoyed it.
So here, and Jane loves.
Hey, enjoy this little detour.
Yeah.
Some rocks even.
That wasn't too bad, huh? No, it was fun. It was fun.
We are pan searing and salting some shishito peppers. This is my farm to four-wheel drive experience.
Farm to four-wheel drive, that's awesome.
Four-wheel drive.
And Dimitri is going to tell me what's happening.
I can.
You can't.
Not now, woman.
Okay. They say it's soup. There's potatoes in there. Can't really see, but it's boiling now.
But so far there's salt and potatoes.
Salt and potatoes. So we shall see the outcome.
Chats and tons of laughs. That's been really great. Just getting to know everybody and just different backgrounds and what they do and like what their lives look like, and learning from that. It's just been super fun.
Digga just told me that his peppers are done. And I'm gonna try my luck at them.
1 out of 10 are hot.
So let's.
You got a hot one?
I got a hot one.
Color.
Tend to be sweeter.
Oh, okay.
So,
Here it goes.
and the hot's not.
You know who's gonna hear about it if it's the hot one, right?
You want one of these?
What?
Oh, no, this one.
Those.
Jalapenos?
I know.
Yes.
I think it was great. Adam had a blast, especially today. Adam is my son. He's 7 years old. Oh yeah, he's all in. Hey Adam, can you show us what noise can come out from the FJ? Nice gear shifting too.
We do trails.
Trails, lots of trails. Well, how do you feel about water crossings? If we run into one of those,
That's what I really want.
one of your favorites.
And that's your Tacoma.
Wow!
Yes, and that's three of you: Jason, Rachel, and Adam.
No, that's Rich.
Yeah, that's
Jason.
oh, that's Jason. That's Rachel.
Yes.
Okay.
So you're
Yes.
doing a journal for school?
Yes.
Yes. With pictures of everything. Awesome.
You're from Texas, correct?
Texas, yeah.
Yeah,
so we don't have anything like the terrain that's here where I'm at in Houston. Pretty exciting for me, so I don't think I wish my wife were here to enjoy it with me, but maybe next time.
I think it's gonna get above freezing, so that's gonna be good.
For the day or tonight? Oh no, for the day, obviously. Okay, above freezing.
Yeah.
Off to our first spot. Just left a really great campsite on streams at night, which was perfect.
Very nice.
Good grief.
Everybody had their own little spot, a little break for the introverts like me.
It's as good as it's gonna get. Matthew says it's too early for T-Swift, but I say it's never too early for T-Swift.
Just joking.
Oh, I tell you, I cannot do it.
That was it. That was close.
No, it's not. You do it.
My throat's too dry right now.
Excuses. They're gonna cut the practice anyway for the good stuff. Make it. Do it.
Huh?
That's not it. I can't do it with the camera in my face. Are you gonna drive the Land Cruiser any this trip?
Why are you gonna ask that?
Does it make you nervous?
Yes. You make me nervous when I'm driving a stick shift.
Oh, why are you not good at it?
Because you get mad at me. What? And I get stressed out.
Alright, this video's over.
And then I can't do it.
What is that? It's a pool joke. And they go with hand crank windows.
That's what having a hand crank will get you. Ugh.
We came here thinking that we were going to be the only ones cooking for everybody. Well, we have Digga. Digga actually owns a farm up north.
Huntsbrook Farm. Healthy, beautiful food.
And it is actually quite beautiful. It's actually an Asian slaw.
Actually, you don't cook salad.
You know what the hell I'm saying before I throw this salad in your face. I tasted it earlier and it tastes like heaven in your mouth. We've got that going for us today. We've also got Leanne's pulled pork. We'll give a shout out to Leanne. That's cooking. That's only half the batch that she made us. She cooked for an army and we're only about 14 people. So beans, let me show you the beans. Let's go to the beans really quick. Beans. We've got beans right here, and they've actually got a pork shoulder in them, I think.
That'll make for some good.
All right, Digga, show me what you got over here, dude.
We washed and we're drying off some sea scallops, courtesy of my friend Joe, who goes out and catches them and gives me the first bags off his boat. So they're nice. They were nice and fresh when they got vacuum sealed. They freeze great. And then these are North Atlantic red shrimp, which are like tiny little lobsters in your mouth. They come from really deep water, really clean water, and up north off the south coast of Long Island. Absolutely delicious. In the steam pot, we're gonna just eat those hot right out of the steamer.
I think you've done this a time or two.
Cooked?
I don't know why.
Yeah.
I'm eating shrimp.
No, don't eat me!
I'm kind of a shellfish virgin here, so I think I'm kind of doing this. Now pinch the tail.
You gotta pinch something, buddy.
Oh, there they are.
Go. You got it.
What's that? Is that poop?
Yeah.
That's all right. I got it.
It's not gonna hurt you.
It's clean water poop.
You put worse in your mouth.
Not poop. Pretty good. Nice. Nice. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I know. It's very inconclusive. You mean what I wanted to do.
Excellent.
Oh man, excellent.
That's funny. Old basement teddy bear, rough around the edges, but still soft on the
a little
inside.
stale. Yeah.
You guys making me drink alcohol, right?
Unlike everyone else, I came from Florida, so for me it was very, very freaking cold. Other than that, I had a blast. Today was my first experience driving an off-road vehicle. Hope to come back for more when it's a little warmer.
Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, West Virginia is such a wonderful place to travel through. I had a lot of fun, got through all the challenges that we've done, and this has been a great trip. Jason and Gabby and Rachel have done an awesome job guiding us, and I can't wait to do it again next year.